Real circuits rarely contain only resistance, only capacitance, or only inductance. When all three components are combined, the system begins to show much more complex dynamic behavior. In this lesson, we will learn RLC circuits and how they form the foundation of resonance and frequency selective systems in engineering. An RLC circuit is an electrical network that contains a resistor, an inductor, and a capacitor connected together in series or parallel configuration. This combination represents the most complete basic dynamic system in circuit theory because it includes both types of energy storage elements along with energy dissipation. The resistor represents energy loss in the system, while the inductor stores energy in a magnetic field and the capacitor stores energy in an electric field. The interaction between these three components creates complex time-dependent behavior that cannot be observed in simpler RC or RL circuits alone. RLC circuits are fundamental in understanding oscillations, resonance, and frequency-selective behavior. They form the basis for many real-world systems, including filters, oscillators, and communication circuits, where energy continuously transfers between electric and magnetic fields. In an RLC circuit, energy continuously transfers between the capacitor and the inductor. When the capacitor discharges, its stored electric energy is transferred into the inductor as magnetic energy. Then, as the magnetic field collapses, energy flows back into the capacitor, creating an oscillating exchange process. This exchange creates oscillations in current and voltage over time. However, because the resistor is present in the circuit, part of the energy is lost as heat during each cycle. This causes the oscillations to gradually decrease in amplitude, a behavior known as damping. The balance between energy storage and energy loss determines whether the circuit is underdamped, overdamped, or critically damped. These conditions define how the system responds over time after being disturbed. Resonance occurs in an RLC circuit when the inductive reactance and capacitive reactance become equal in magnitude but opposite in phase. At this point, the circuit naturally oscillates at a specific frequency known as the resonant frequency. At resonance, energy exchange between the inductor and capacitor is maximized, while the effect of resistance determines how sharp or broad the resonance response is. A low resistance results in a strong, narrow resonance peak, while higher resistance reduces the sharpness of the response. This resonant behavior is fundamental in frequency selection and signal filtering applications. It allows circuits to amplify or suppress specific frequency components, making it essential in communication and RF systems. In practical engineering, RLC circuits are widely used in filters, oscillators, and tuning circuits. They allow engineers to design systems that respond differently depending on signal frequency, enabling selective signal processing in both analog and digital electronics. RLC networks are also used to model real-world physical systems, such as mechanical vibrations, acoustic systems, and electromagnetic wave behavior. This makes them a powerful tool for understanding dynamic systems across multiple engineering disciplines. In transient analysis, RLC circuits are used to study how systems respond to sudden changes, including overshoot, oscillation, and settling time, which are critical in control and signal systems. In RF engineering, RLC circuits form the foundation of frequency-selective networks. They are used in bandpass filters, oscillators, and impedance-matching circuits where control over frequency response is essential. Resonant RLC circuits define the operating frequency of many RF systems, including transmitters and receivers. The ability to select or reject specific frequencies is critical for communication systems that operate in crowded spectral environments. Understanding RLC behavior is essential for RF engineers because it connects basic circuit theory to real-world wireless communication systems where resonance and frequency control determine system performance. In this lesson, we learned that RLC circuits combine resistors, inductors, and capacitors to create oscillatory and frequency-dependent behavior. These circuits form the basis of resonance, damping, and frequency-selective systems in electrical engineering. In the next lesson, We will explore transient response and analyze how circuits behave during switching and time-dependent changes. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, and follow for the next lesson.